Here I'll show you the operations on this 67 Corvette Coupe air-conditioned C60 L79 car. Left turn signal, or rather that was the right, this is the left. Hazards. Horns work. Of course, I'm in a metal building right now, so the reception's not that great, but both AM and FM. We'll show that on the drive portion. Here's your cigarette lighter. Turn on the air, let that get going. Let's see, what else do we got here? Wing windows. Temperature's coming down on the air conditioning. What else we got here? Let's do the headlights. Let's see, the headlight warning goes out. High beams. Okay, it's coming down. I think that's about it. Thank you very much.